Hey, I'm Natalie, and today is a very special day. It's our Bunnings Bear's birthday, and I've decided to throw her a party. It's a surprise, so don't tell anyone. For the party, we're going to be making some party hats, a birthday card, and a bunting to decorate. There's a lot to do, so let's get started. To bring our party to life, we're going to need a couple of things. For our bunting, we're going to need some coloured paper, a glue stick, some twine and some scissors. For our birthday card, we're going to need some paper and pencils. And for our party hat, we're going to need some coloured paper with a template printed off, some ribbon, elastic, tape, a stapler and coloured pencils. The first thing we're going to be making for our party is a bunting, just like this one I made earlier. To make the flags of our bunting, we're going to fold our paper. So what we're going to do is fold our paper into quarters. And now turn your paper around and do it again. And now we have our baby rectangle. So with the folded side at the top and the open side down the bottom, we're going to find the centre. So the centre's about here, and we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut from the centre up to the top corner. Rotate our paper around and we're going to cut from this bottom corner back up to the top. And if we put these down, we've got two flags for our bunting. And if you open these up, they'll make a diamond shape. Take our string, put that inside, take our glue stick and glue on one side of our flag, fold the paper down, and now we have one flag on our bunting. So we're going to repeat that with lots of different colours of paper until we have our whole bunting finished. It wouldn't be a birthday without a birthday card. So the next thing we're going to do is make a card just like this one. Now what we're going to do is fold the paper in half. Now it's in the shape of the card and we just have to draw on the front. So it's our birthday bear's party. So we're going to draw a bear. Now what we're going to do is we're going to colour him in. Now I'm going to write a note inside. There we go, a perfect birthday card. This wouldn't be a party without a party hat. So ask Mum and Dad to download and print off this template from the Bunnings website. Now we're going to draw on it and then cut it out. I'm going to draw some spots and some rainbows on mine. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my piece of paper around, because up here is the top of our party hat and down here is the bottom. And I want my rainbows to be facing the right way. Now we've got to cut out our party hat and cut around the black line. We're going to cut in this little part here and then come back out. So it's not the whole way. This is to make our tabs put in the slot. Now to cut out our slot, we're going to fold our party hat in half, take our scissors and chop along the line. Just a little bit. Then we're going to open it up. There should be a little hole. So now we're going to take our party hat and turn it over and get some ribbon. We're going to measure that a little bit longer than our party hat and do this with another couple of colours as well. Now I've got our 3 pieces of ribbon. We're going to sticky tape them down. So put your ribbon facing out, because they're going to come out of the top of our party hat. Now we need to make our party hat into a cone shape. Fold the edges of your tabs in. There we go, just like that. Now flick your tabs back out. Take your masking tape and stick it down to secure it. The last thing we need to do is attach some elastic to our hat so that we can wear it. I've got my elastic here. I'm going to unwind it and measure it around my head so I know how long it needs to be. Just like that. So we're going to take our elastic and staple it to the side of our hat. You might need Mum and Dad to help you do this. There's one side done. Now we're going to turn it around and attach it to the other side. And just like that, our party hat is finished. I jazzed this one up using some pom-poms and some PVA glue. But you could use sequins or stickers or sparkles, whatever you like. Put it on and now it's time to party.